Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install ZenMap, that is GUI tool for the Nmap on Parrot Security OS 6.3. First verify whether we have ZenMap as default application or not. Application menu, then search for ZenMap. See, we don't have ZenMap, but we have Nmap. See, okay. So now install it by going to terminal, sudo apt install ZenMap KBX. Hit enter. See, unable to locate the package ZenMap KBX. Okay, so open any web browser, then go to pkgs, that is packages.org. Then search for ZenMap. Hit enter. Then click on this Debian SID. See, here we have the ZenMap 7.5 Debian package. So click on it, scroll down, then see here download, copy this link, right click, copy, go to the terminal, duplicate, paste it, hit enter. See, download is completed. ls, see here we have the ZenMap Debian package. Install it, Ctrl L, ls, sudo dpkg-i, then use give the tab autofill entire Debian package name and hit enter. Okay, we have installed. See, even you get the error, but we have installed. Go to menus, that is application menu, search for ZenMap. See, here we have ZenMap and ZenMap as root account. So open any one of them. See, we got the ZenMap application. Now we can practice whatever the commands that we can execute in Nmap. Okay, see, here we have the type of scans. Okay, so if you want to give like localhost, then select the type of scan and click on scan. We will get the information. This is intense scan. Okay, remove this file. So in this video we have successfully installed ZenMap 7.95 on Parrot Security OS 6.3. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.